model, 63-plate Iveco Daily 2.335 C13 LWB Crew Cab Twin-Wheeler Tipper Noisy Diff 104 km No Vat. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 104,632. MOT, the 20th of July 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1AE348-1M. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Engine and gearbox are perfect. Unfortunately, the rear diff is noisy, so will need replacing or repairing very soon. Tipper unit works effortlessly. Very rare usable vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, tipper in working order, tow bar. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description.